Good morning, learners, and welcome to French Skill Acquisition Hub. This is where we help you improve your French language skills in 3 different areas: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read correctly the numbers in French from 0 to 10. Without further ado, let's get started. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Let's do some practical exercise. I'm going to put the fingers on the numbers to give it the opportunity to think about it before I give you the answer. Ready? Let's do it. 0, 10, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 9, 10, 1, 7. Thank you for watching this video. It was a pleasure for me to show you today how to pronounce the numbers in French from 0 to 10. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below, a question below, and I'll be happy to answer your question or address your concerns. In order for you to receive my next video, you're going to have to subscribe to this channel. So you're going to receive a notification in your inbox as soon as I upload the next video. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and I hope to hear from you soon.